Hello everybody, welcome to Module 1 for ECS 430. In this section, we're going to be discussing social networks, and we are going to find out that social networks are a vital source of knowledge and resources, and it is how teachers, social networks influences how teachers do their work, so their teaching practices. So you'll have an opportunity to grow your own professional network by meeting your own classmates. The objectives for this week is identify the influences of social network on teachers' access to knowledge and resources, and you're going to brainstorm hot topics impacting early childhood education. We have 2 assignments this week. We have one in Coaching Companion, and then we have a brainstorming classroom participation activity that we're going to be doing in Jamboard. The readings this week is by Mowry, Early Childhood Professional Culture, Social Networks and Beliefs Among Pre-Kindergarten Educators. The viewing this week is around social capital theory, and we have a presentation for Module 1. So I do want to note that the article that is mentioned in the presentation is No Teacher is an Island. That has been removed from the course, and we replaced the reading with the Mowry article. So there is one change in that information. I do want to encourage you to please go over the content in this course, in this lesson, before you move on to your assignments. It will certainly support your development of the course assignment if you review the content first. For this Coaching Companion introductory assignment, you're going to get an opportunity to introduce yourself to your peers, and you're going to talk about your social network, strong ties and weak ties, and strategies for you to grow your social network. I do want to highlight there are multiple due dates for this assignment. The video that you're creating will be due on day 5, and the peer feedback will be due on day 7 for this lesson. I want to encourage you to first watch the social networking map video. This will help you design your own map in preparation for your assignment. Then we want to ask you to create your video and upload it into Coaching Companion. In the video, we want to hear your name. We want to hear about your career plans. We want to hear about your current work or volunteer setting in early childhood. We want you to give us an overview of your social network, 1 strong tie, 1 weak tie, and then explain steps you're going to take to grow your social network. When you're ready, you're going to upload the video into Coaching Companion. You'll click on this Add New Video, browse, and load it up into the Coaching Companion tool. When you're ready to provide feedback to your peers, you'll see at the top here there are other tabs. So when you're ready to provide peer feedback to your peers, you're going to click on the group submission and then click on the down button, and it'll give you a list of names that you can then watch the videos and provide them with feedback. And down below here is how you will access Coaching Companion to get into the assignment. The other assignment this week is a Jamboard. We want to have you start thinking, brainstorming about policy in particular related to early childhood. So I want to remind you that our program is focused on birth to 5, not yet in kindergarten. So our policy should be centered around work, supporting health and well-being of young children, birth to age 5 and their families. You're going to come up with 2 novel ideas. You're going to write your idea, including your first and last name on the Jamboard, and a brief description of the policy that we understand and know what you are going to be sharing with us about. I've given you some ideas or policies and procedures to consider. We have policies that have global impact, national impact, and other such as special education and early intervention. So here are some ideas and resources you might want to get into. Of course, you want to narrow your ideas. So these topics would be way too broad to identify as a policy you're interested in. But once you get into these resources, you should be able to identify a more narrow policy that you could then explore and research for the duration of this course. I want to encourage you to watch the video before you get started, and then I'll put a video in here on how to submit your Padlet, or it's not Padlet, it's a Jamboard. I'll have to fix that for you. We have 2 different groups in this course. So one group is Group LeSueur, Group A, and then Group B, Group Meany. You need to identify your group. So based on your instructor email that came in early in the week, you should know who your group is. Then click on the link and it'll take you through the process. I'll put a video up top to show you. Please note that you do need to be logged into your ASU Gmail, and please don't delete any sticky notes or text boxes from your peers. Okay, so be sure that you leave those in there. And I'll put a video up top for you. There's a rubric for you to review as well. So those are the assignments and the content for this first week. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to your group instructor. We are here to support your success in this course, and your success is important to us. Have a great week.